Good day, my wonderful viewers. My name is Clement Ladan, a 200-level healthcare management/nursing of the Jpts Institute of Science, Management and Technology in collaboration with South American University, USA, Global Wealth University Togo, Pan American College, California, etc. I will be presenting a brief paper seminar on the theme, the universe. What is the universe? A universe is a vast empty space surrounding the planets and stars, and consists of the dark matter, dark energy, stars and galaxies. Both cyclic and unpredictable processes are found to happen in the universe. The major reason is that no one can control or change the particular occurrences of the heavenly bodies that are happening in the nature. Similarly, the processes that are happening in the universe are non-repeatable. During these processes, many factors like temperature, pressure, etc. are found to be extremely high. Maintaining such high temperature conditions in the laboratories may be very risky. The only way to understand the universe is through the electromagnetic radiations from them. This is one of the most interesting subjects in the world. There's what we call cosmology. Cosmology is the study of nature and origin of the universe. Astronomy is the scientific aspect of composition, motion, and other related facts of the universe are studied under a multidisciplinary subject. There are contents of the universe. Initially, astronomers thought that the universe was composed entirely of ordinary atoms or bionic matter. During the recent years, more evidence is obtained by these global scientific bodies suggest that most of the ingredients making up the universe are in some forms which we cannot see. It shows that atoms only make up 4.6% of the universe. Of the remainder, 23% is made up of dark matter. This dark matter is composed of one or more species of subatomic particles that interact very weakly with ordinary matter. Almost 72% of the universe is made up of dark energy. This is the driving element which is accelerating the unpredictable distribution and expansion of the universe. According to NASA, hydrogen makes up about 75%, while helium makes up about 25%, with heavier elements making up only a tiny fraction of the universe's chemical content. The Greeks were the first people to identify 3 planets, and these three Greek that identify the planets are: 1. They say there are 7 wanderers in the space called planets. 2. There exists a systematic movement of the bodies, and the third is the universe contains many stars. The first Greek philosopher was Thales, who did extensive works during 624 BC. very significant ideas were promoted by many ancient philosophers. And these ancient philosophers are: one is Aristotle of 384 to 322 BC, said that the earth is spherical in shape. Two, Aristotle's of 312 to 230 BC speculated that the earth, the universe, is sun-centered, while the third is Eratosthenes of 276 to 194 BC found that the size of the earth has some variations. In understanding what the universe is all about, man has tried to understand the universe at least throughout recorded history. In the 20th century, great studies were made in explaining the nature of the universe and its origin. Two important theories from nature of the universe and its origin. The two important theories from that century were the Big Bang theory and inflation theory. Big Bang theory was the dominant model of the universe, and many observations supported it. The Big Bang theory contends that all matter and energy were contained in a gravitational singularity, which was perhaps infinitely small. Pressure and temperature may have been infinite as well. For unknown reason, this singularity began to expand. The Big Bang was not an explosion, as the name would imply, but an expansion of space and the universe itself. At first, the universe was extremely hot, but as it began to cool, the laws of physics as we know them started to take shape. In the intensely hot environment of the early universe, the three non-gravitational forces appear to merge together. They cannot be distinguished from one another until the universe begins to cool from the intense heat created by the Big Bang. In this state, the universe was far more symmetric than it is today. Finally, it is by the energy or force of the Big Bang that the universe evolves or grows. Thank you.